Some machines pass through a farm, others have become part of it. This is Iron Echoes, stories of steel, work, and the lives shaped in between. And this story begins with a tractor that never needed an introduction, a Ford 4100. This isn't a show tractor. It wasn't polished for a parade or parked away under a tarp. It sits the way it always has, ready, familiar, earned. This Ford 4100 was bought brand new in 1982, and it has spent its entire life on one farm. By the early 1980s, farming wasn't easy. Fuel was expensive, margins were tight. Ford didn't build the 4100 to impress. They built it to be dependable. Diesel-powered, mechanically simple, and strong enough to do the real work without complaint. This tractor wasn't meant to chase trends. It was meant to stay. From the day it rolled onto this land, this tractor went to work. Same ground, same roads, same seasons. No guessing how it was treated, no wondering where it's been. Its story never left this farm. Most of its life was spent doing the work that mattered most around here. Peanuts, corn, and hay. Peanuts, where timing meant everything. Corn, when the heat sat heavy and the days ran long. Hay, when the weather decided the schedule. This tractor didn't rush. It didn't complain. It just worked. The Ford 4100 was never meant to be a legend. It was meant to work. This one did, year after year, crop after crop, always answering the bell. This is Iron Echoes, and this machine earned its story.